She blushes with the slightest smile of him. Yes, but we are not going to talk here today about that natural flush of color. We're going to talk about how we can imitate that natural blush using our own blushes. So today we're going to talk about my top 5 favorite blushes. So let's get started. So the first blush which I'm going to talk about is from the Color Bar in the shade Rosy Peach. This is the blush, guys, and as the name suggests, it is a beautiful rosy pinky color. Now it is in a demi matte kind of a finish with a slight sheen to it, so there's no glitter particle when you apply it on your face. The only thing which any person can notice is a slight glow, like highlighter kind of glow when you apply it, but it's a very subtle glow. It's not a very overpowering glow, no shimmer particles, nothing, and it's highly pigmented. I'll show you the swatch of it, guys. This is the swatch of it. This is in the shade Rosy Peach Color Bar. So the next product which I'm going to talk about is not a new name in the blush world, and yes, it is a MAC blush in the shade Melba. Yes, it's a true beautiful peachy colored blush, warmth, earthy peachy blush, which is gonna suit I think all the skin tones. Now in the tub it might be looking really light in the color, you see. You must be thinking what it's gonna add to my face. Now that is the true magic about this blush. It's a blush, there are times when you really do not apply a lot of makeup on your face, or when you really want to look natural on your daily routine, and when you do not want to overpower your face with the blush. This is a blush to go for. It adds a warmth to your face, a healthy warmth, a healthy peachy warmth to your face, which looks really natural, because this blush does not have any shimmer, satiny, anything like that. It's a pure matte blush. So I think you should all try it. I'll show you the swatch of it. So this is MAC Melba, just on side of the other blush which I've shown you, and which is the Color Bar one, which is quite pinky, and this one is quite peachy. Now the next blush which I'm going to talk about is from the Studio West in the shade Dusty Rose. This is the blush, guys, and it's a beautiful matte pinky blush. It's also a matte blush, as I said, so it adds kind of again a natural glow to your face, a natural flush of color to your face without any overpowering shimmers or anything. And I'll show you the swatch of it, guys. Check this out. This is the third one, which looks very similar to the Color Bar blush, but then it's not similar. The other one is satiny and it's quite matte. The effect which they give on your cheeks is very different, but it gives you a beautiful pinkiness on your face. Now guys, the next blush which I want to talk about is from Inglot, which is Inglot brush number 32. Guys, it's a bomb. This blush, I'm so sorry first of all that I don't have a palette for it, and I've been using it just like that, putting it in its original packaging and taking out every time I apply it. I know I need to buy the palette for it, but if we concentrate on the blush itself, it's a beautiful pinky rosy blush with lots of shimmer in it. We can see lots and lots of shimmer. I don't know if my camera can focus it, but there's lot of shimmer in it. But when you apply it on your face, there are no gritty particles of shimmer which are visible on your face. All you can see is glow. Absolutely beautiful rosy glow on your face. Trust me, if you'll buy this blush, you'll never regret it. I'll show you the swatch of it. It's highly pigmented. So this is the swatch. I just put it on the top. This is the blush. It's a rosy peachy pinky blush, and guys, this is one of my top favorite. Even among all the blushes I've shown you, this is one of my favorite among all of these. And last but not the least is a blush from Makeup Revolution, Vivid Baked Blush in the shade Heart Day. Guys, you must be thinking, there is no color in this blush. Yes, this is the magic of this blush. Now this blush is gonna act like a beautiful highlighter for dark skin beauties. Now you apply it once, it looks like a pinky highlighter. You apply it twice, it looks as if you applied a highlighter along with a blush. You apply it thrice, it becomes more pink and looks beautiful. For lighter skin tone, it's a beautiful pink color, a pink colored blush. Now you must be thinking, pink colored blush, really, does my statement justify the color which you are seeing? Trust me, once you apply it on your face, it turns a little pink. But for darker skin beauties, it will act as a beautiful flushy highlighter. So I'll show you the swatch of it. So this is the blush On top I've shown, yes, it is a slightly pinky highlighter kind of a blush, so it's a very very beautiful blush. I think all of you can try it. The darker skin beauties as their highlighters and lighter ones as the flush of color along with the highlighter. Thank you so much guys, that was my top 5 favorite blushes. Hope you all like it. If you all like it, then please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and please come back for more videos. Thank you.